tons and tons of food, water, and other emergency relief supplies have been shipped to volcano-ravaged St Vincent and the Grenadines following the April 9 start of explosive eruptions at La Soufriere. Over 7,000 evacuees are said to be in more than 80 public emergency shelters and approximately 7,000 more in private homes across the nation. Thousands of evacuees and homeowners or hosts have lined up at distribution outlets over weeks seeking emergency relief supplies. Today, week 6 after the violent volcanic eruption started, the pictures of evacuees seeking aid have not changed much, if at all. The images of crowds flocking to distribution points on a daily basis tells the story of a country in crisis.